In the fascinating world of language learning models, or LLMs, two noteworthy contenders have emerged: ChatGPT and Bard. These intelligent systems are creating ripples in the field of artificial intelligence, each with its unique features and capabilities. Today's discussion focuses on a detailed comparison of these two models, shedding light on their similarities and differences. To kick things off, let's talk about the data sources for each model. ChatGPT is trained on a text and code dataset up until the year 2021. Bard, on the other hand, utilizes a massive dataset of text and code, including a wealth of information from Wikipedia and Google search. Moving on to architecture, ChatGPT has been built on the GPT 3.5 platform, and its paid version includes the more advanced GPT-4. Bard, however, is constructed on Google's PaLM 2 architecture. In terms of training methods, ChatGPT employs unsupervised learning, where the model learns from the dataset without any explicit labels or correct answers. Bard, in contrast, uses supervised learning, where it is trained on a dataset with explicit labels, allowing it to learn more effectively. Now, let's delve into the strengths of these models. ChatGPT shines in generating and summarizing text requests, making it a handy tool for content creation. Bard, however, excels in answering questions with more relevant information thanks to its integration with Google search, and is particularly adept at research. However, like all things, these models are not without their weaknesses. ChatGPT can sometimes make factual mistakes and has a tendency to embellish stories. Bard, while a reliable source of information, may not be as good at generating creative text formats as ChatGPT. When it comes to pricing, Bard is freely accessible, while ChatGPT operates on a paid plan known as ChatGPT Plus. Breaking down further differences, Bard outperforms ChatGPT in understanding and responding to complex questions. An example of this is asking about the key factors influencing climate change. Bard's response would be comprehensive, covering all major factors, while ChatGPT's answer might be more general. In the realm of creative text formats, Bard can generate content that is creative and coherent. For instance, if asked to write a poem about a cat, Bard would generate a poem that stands out creatively, while ChatGPT might not match Bard's level of creativity and coherence. One significant advantage Bard holds over ChatGPT is its integration with Google search, which allows it to access and process real-world information, giving it an edge in providing relevant and accurate responses. In conclusion, both Bard and ChatGPT are powerful LLMs with a wide range of applications. Bard holds a slight edge over ChatGPT in answering complex questions and accessing real-world information. However, the choice between the two ultimately depends on your specific needs. If creative text formats are your priority, ChatGPT might be your go-to. For complex question answering and real-world information processing, Bard could be your best bet.